everybody, welcome back to Betty and Leon. On today's episode, we're prepping Leon for the upcoming season. First things first, let's fire up old Leon. He's been sitting here for how? 2, 3, 4 months probably. Well, since our last video about the fire up, so gonna fire him up. We're gonna do a bit of maintenance on it, give it a clean first, then just check all the standard stuff, just brakes, and get it ready as a backup for the HRCC's Triple T Day, which is on the 18th and 19th of Feb. Should come down, say hello, Morgan Park. That way. West, south. Let's fire him up. What do we reckon, dudes? I reckon there's nothing better than an RX2, RX3 on a sweet set of 13s. Those Rebels, man, they just pop. They just make the car look awesome for that period look. Anyway, next, it's time to do some brakes. Got to bleed those fellas. Just check the fluid out, you know. Fluid goes off by sitting in the master cylinder. It's hydroscopic, picks up all the water, so it's good to give them a decent bleed. We swap fluid all the time though, you know, so I don't really have to do it, but I do it because it's a safety thing. While we're in there, we'll just check the bearings, do front and rear brakes, the rears being drums, and then just check the oils, gearbox, diff, engine. Once that's good, we're ready to roll for the new season. It's a bit boring, this maintenance stuff, but it's what you got to do. Got to keep your stuff sweet. down,
Yeah.
up,
Up.
down,
Down.
wire it up. Calamity Jane. Up. Fronts are done, lads. We're all bled up. Ended up replacing all the brake fluid. I just think it's better. Start of the season, let's do it. It's rear time. Let's get it jacked. We just finished bleeding the rear brakes and they now spin like champions. Got to let you in on a little bit of a secret. This idiot, village idiot. You are an idiot. Right here, got to put my hand up. On this car, I've been adjusting the rear brakes wrong. And we've always had an issue with the rear drums dragging, just a little bit, but enough to be noticeable. Great pedal feel, don't get me wrong, but not great for going down the chute. Not great for doing dynos, not great for making horsepower. So anyway, you live and learn. I'll put my hand up for that one. I've now worked out how to do it properly for this car. It's a little bit different to old Betty over here, but definitely going to help us in the future. Back in the day with Betty, I actually had a issue where I put there's like a little adjuster in the bottom of the rear drum, and it's got a scallop shape in it to take the scallop of the rear brake pad or brake shoe, and I'd put it in wrong once and it was slightly dragging, and that made us lose 30 horsepower. And I can guarantee that poor old Leon here, it was worse than that on that dyno day. So here's to more horsepower, I hope. I really hope that that's cured it, and the pedal still feels great. So yeah, chalk that one up to just screwing up sometimes. It happens. But we're trying to remove all those unforced errors this year, so step in the right direction. Let's get on to doing some fuel filter goodness, because it's been a while since we've looked at it, and I'm guessing there's going to be a little bit of that flame retardant foam stuff from the fuel tank in it, because it seems to want to break down even when it's new. It's a pretty handy feature, and if that gets in a jet, she going lean. It's going to lean out on you, and not the sort of lean you want, the one that kills engines. Okay, so just remember that for next time. What are we doing here?
Okay, we're going to pull the fuel filter out using our fancy AN shifting spanner that we paid $384 for. And then I'm going to use it in combination with my plumber's aluminium shifter, which is like $10.
Well, the AN one was like 25 bucks off Evil Bay, but
no, it was 300.
But don't let that get in the way of a good story there, brother.
Yeah, I know. I'm not lying at all. But I mean, this one is really handy because it's still aluminium, so it's not going to wreck your AN fittings, and it's pointy, so you can jam it in spots that you just can't get this.
That is true. The pointiness is a good feature.
Yeah.
So we run Speedflow filters. I think it's 100 microns, I believe, is in this guy. So
I believe this one is, yeah.
Yeah, it's always been good to us. We just run 100 micron. We don't run one up the front near the carby. Some guys do. We don't. We find that everything gets caught, catches all the rocks. In this one thing that it does catch is a whole bunch of that.
The
foam.
Yeah, the foam.
Which, you know, it's good for business, that stuff. So what do we got?
Oh, I was doing so well. And,
down the arm.
Then I wasn't.
A little bit of self-cooling on this hot day.
Yep.
Nice. Well done.
Rightio, there we go. I'll go and give that a clean.
Get up and do some work. Come on. That's it from us today. We've got Leon to a state of back. He's back. He's back. He's ready for this season. And now we focus on Betty. We got to get that damn engine in. We need to get it painted. We need to get the old engine out. We need to get new engine in. We need to get on the dyno. And we've got 2 weeks to get it done. So the episodes are going to be coming thick and fast, I think, because we just got to get that damn thing done. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe. I hate saying that, but it helps us. So, see you on the next one.